Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel again. This is Sage, and today we'll be doing a final review for the DICAM 420 camera. So I took some videos and pictures for this camera, and I'll be showing you right after this intro. Right now I'm taking the video from the iPhone I have right here, so that you can tell, I'll label it so that you can tell the difference between the camera quality yourself. And yeah, so let's jump into that right now, and without wasting much time, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and also your thoughts. Leave a comment if you can tell the difference, you like the video quality for the camera, like all that. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm basically outside right now, and it's so there's a lot of snow today. As always, it's winter here in Russia, so yeah, this is how the camera looks like from the outside. There's some kids playing over there, and yeah, it's like the most open area I could find. Okay, it's so freaking cold. My hands are freezing. So yeah, let me see if I can get myself in the shot, if the sound is also good. So yeah, this is basically how it looks like. Just nothingness. So yeah. Alright, so I'm in the grocery store right now. Oh man, it was very, very cold outside. So I just got in, like, this camera has got a lens of like a fisheye lens. So yeah, that's how it just films, I think, natively. So yeah, let's see, there's some colorful stuff, so you can get to see the resolution of that. Alright, so I just got done grocery shopping, and I'm heading back home. And as always, it's still freaking cold outside. Oh man. So yeah, that was basically it. I was just moving around, taking a bunch of random videos and pictures. But I like the camera though. The portability of it can fit in your pocket, you can put it anywhere. No one can see it and all that. It's kind of cool, I guess. I like it, to be honest. And I'm out of context though. I like the weather today. It's so snowy here, just everywhere in my city, and it's always so snowy and so gloomy. You never see the sun out, and today, like, the sun is out, at least it's sunny. I think this is probably the reason why I wanted to come out outside, but it's still freaking windy. That's the problem. It's still windy. But yeah, the sun is Isn't that nice? It's so nice. Yeah. So these are the pictures I took in its camera mode. I really like it. It's got a sort of fisheye lens to it, and you can take like a bunch of cool photos. All of these were taken in like landscape, so the pictures which are vertical, I had to edit them so that they can be in portrait mode. But yeah, overall it's a clear camera, you would say. The pictures it takes the quality is decent to it. So for me, I really like it. Let me know your thoughts on the camera as well in its picture mode. Okay, and how you use this camera as a webcam is very easy. You just take the USB it comes with and just plug it in there. And okay, and after you plug it in, it shows this these options on the UI. So you just press this, there's a Wi-Fi button on the right side. You press the Wi-Fi button and go on PC camera there, and also press this button with the camera symbol on it, and that's how you connect it like this. And yeah, that's basically it. It's now a webcam, and this is how it looks like. Here's the camera, and this is this is how the camera quality looks like for the webcam. And lastly, my advice when you are trying to use this camera as a webcam, you need to have a very good source of lighting. Right now it's bright outside, and also there's the light from the room, and also there's a ring light right on top, so there's like kind of enough light, you could say. So yeah, that's why the video looks much better right now. But let me show you what I mean by this. When I try to move this to this side, look how it becomes very, very dark. If you could see my face there, yeah, it gets kind of dark. So now imagine if there isn't like enough light, it's not bright outside, and also there isn't like a lot of light, it's going to kind of get a bit, even like the quality is going to be more darker than it is in a good source of light. So always make sure there's like enough light getting into the room, so that you can have at least a much better, a much clearer video once you start recording. Alright guys, now I'm finally done filming making the video for the camera review. Like, it's all done and dusted, and I had a lot of fun like making this one. I really enjoyed it, and editing and all this stuff. So yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and also the like button as well. And if you want to check out how this camera is unboxed, check out this video linked right there. Or is it? Okay. Anyways, bye bye.